Good morning, students. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. There is a question of find the value of 6.25 raised to power 1 by 2 into 0.0144 raised to power 1 by 2 plus 1 whole upon 0.027 raised to power 1 by 3 into 81 raised to power 1 by 4. There are four options A, B, C, D, 0.14, 1.4, 1, 1.4 bar. So we have to solve these questions by solving this. So I'll tell you, if somewhere it is written, for example, if it is written 4 raised to power 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 is power nothing but square root power. Okay, 1 by 2 power is always root power. Or if you don't know that, so you can solve it. 4 ko what can we write? 2 raised to power 2, 2 to the 4, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 means 2 into 2, 2 into 2 means 4, 4 we can write 2 into 2, 2 into 2 we can write 2 raised to power 2, so 4 we have written 2 raised to power 2 whole upon 1 by 2. So if it is 2 raised to power में power multiply हो जाती है, power gets multiply with power, so 2 से 2 कटा 2 raised to power 1 equal to 2. It means 4 raised to power 1 by 2 you can write also under root 4. 1 by 2 power converts under root 4 कितना आता है 2. ऐसे solve किया, you solve it from this way 2, you solve it from this way again 2. So these are the basics. So basics has to be clear first. Okay, now the basic is clear. So root 2 1 by 2 power means under root 2. So if basic is clear, laws and exponents and power you must be knowing. So what can we write? We can write it in such a way 6.25. 1 by 2 power is square root power, multiply. Again under root power 0.0144 plus 1 whole upon 1 by 3 power is cube root power 0.027 multiply by 1 by 4 power is fourth power, so keep it as it is. So what can we write? 81 ko 81 raised to power 1 by 4, leave as it is. Okay, if I'll tell you what is the square root of 625, don't consider it as 6.25, थोड़ी देर के लिए let it be 625. So what should be the square root of 625? 25. See, you have to understand first square, like 1 square equal to 1, 1, 2 square equal to 2 into 2, 4, 3 square equal to 3 into 3, 9. Similarly 11 square equal to 11 into 11, 121. Similarly 25 square equal to 25 into 25, 625. So if you put square root here, so it becomes 1, it becomes 2, it becomes 3, ये वाला 1 2 3, okay, it becomes 11, it becomes 25. Okay, so like this, so 6.25 का square root becomes 2.5. okay, there is a decimal place, so 2.5 multiply 144 12 का स्क्वायर 12 into 12 equal to 144. so अगर 144 का स्क्वायर रूट it comes 12. so 12 1 2 3 4 4 प्लेस डेसिमल तो 0.12 प्लस 1 अपॉन 27 cube root of 3. okay, so we will solve it like this. okay, otherwise cube root you won't be able to find. so 0. See, if I'll tell you, you need to learn the basics first for these questions. 0.27, what can you write? 0.027 you can write 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. okay, 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, or 3 place decimal 1 2 3 1 2 3. After 3 place there is a decimal, so इट कैन बी रिटन एज 0.3 का होल क्यूब. इसकी जगह पे 0.027 इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस यू कैन राइट दिस. सो 0.3 का होल क्यूब और पावर 1/3 outside. Similarly 81 can be written as 81 is 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. So it can be written as 3 raised to power 4. It can be written as 3 raised to power 4 whole upon 1/4. So students, you can see 2.5 into 1.2. If we multiply this, 25 और 12 को मल्टीप्लाई करो, 25 इंटू 12, लीव द डेसिमल प्लेस फॉर द टाइमिंग. तो 25 इंटू 12 होता है 300. इट बिकम्स 300. सो 1 2 3 प्लेस, तो 3 प्लेस 0.300 प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 से 3 कैंसिल, 4 से 4 कैंसिल, पावर में पावर गेट मल्टीप्लाई एंड पावर गेट्स कैंसिल. तो 0.3 इंटू 3. Okay, so upper one becomes 1 plus 0.300. 3 3s are 9.9. So point से point हटा 13 upon 9. So 1.44444 dot dot. So 1.4 bar. So 1.4 bar is the correct answer for these questions. You can have a look of this question. So the question is like this. This is one of the beautiful questions. You can like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching out the channel.